This story is called Baldi Squeeze Sonic while his eyes is fired and gets grounded. Enjoy!
What the? Wait, I have no neck.
Oh 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 oh. Baldi, how dare you squeeze Sonic while your eyes are fired? That's it. You're suspended for 2 weeks. Go home right now.
Oh, 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 oh. Baldi, how dare you squeeze Sonic while your eyes are fired? That's it. And get suspended for 2 weeks. That's it. You're grounded for 3 weeks. And that's it. I am going to turn you into a dog.
No! You better not turn me into a dog.
Too bad. I'm turning you into a dog, and that's final.
Oh no! Now I am a dog.
Too bad. You're a dog because you squeeze Sonic while your eyes are fired. Now go to your room and think about what you've done.
Wah 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 wah.